Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the integration of PowerProtect Data Manager with Dell Automation Platform for NativeEdge with a focus on instant restore feature for recovering VMs. The seamless backup and restore experience offered by PowerProtect Data Manager has been extended to NativeEdge VM workloads, complemented by an array of features. No deployment of proxy or agents are required at the endpoints, thus simplifying setup of NativeEdge VM workload with Data Manager to a matter of minutes. Data Manager uses REST API to communicate with the Edge Orchestrator and the data mover, which is pre-installed on the Edge endpoints. Incremental forever backups using synthetic full captures only the changed blocks. In addition, it delivers image-level VM restores to any NativeEdge endpoint and simplifies management with pre-installed data mover, reducing TCO. Instant restore option is available within the Restore to New VM workflow, enabling significantly reduced recovery times and faster VM availability. Let's walk through how it works. PowerProtect Data Manager integrates with the Dell Automation Platform Edge Orchestrator to enable centralized protection of NativeEdge VM workloads. Through the generic hypervisor data mover and NativeEdge plugin service, Data Manager automatically discovers VMs managed by the orchestrator, streamlining asset registration and policy assignment. The embedded data mover, leveraging DD-Boost APIs, establishes a direct data path between NativeEdge endpoint appliances and PowerProtect Data Domain. This configuration supports Edge local backup operations, significantly reducing latency and eliminating the need to transfer backup data to a central data center. To enable instant restore in the Restore to New VM workflow, select an appropriate recovery point for the VM and choose Restore to a new VM. Select any of the Edge endpoint discovered by Data Manager and choose the destination data store. Specify a name for the new VM and enable instant access for the VM restore. Note that DD-Boost compression cannot be used when instant access is enabled. An instant access restore consists of two stages. First, a virtual machine is made available in the Edge Orchestrator UI as an instant access virtual machine without moving the virtual machine to permanent storage. Second, storage migration is initiated to migrate the virtual machine to permanent storage. If the storage migration is not successful, the instant access session remains active for up to 7 days to prevent data loss and give you time to resolve issues such as storage constraints or data store selection. The virtual machine is created and powered on in Edge Orchestrator UI under Infrastructure and Virtual Machines, with temporary access to disks from the protection storage. The virtual machine is available for use immediately after it powers on. Storage migration to the target data store starts automatically in the background, without any disruption on the running VM. Thank you for watching. To learn more, explore the additional resources linked below.